Welcome once again on my YouTube channel. So today we will discuss about the how we can learn means that's active listening and the better performance. Means that active listening is just many types. Listening and hearing are two things that are actually different from each others. Both are differs because active listening is and second is passive listening and hearing is another thing. Hearing means that's one thing that you listen comes and go back, so cannot stop in your brains, cannot store in your brain. So here's the hearing and listening is two types. So one listening that will say you will listen consciously and you will listen subconsciously. So consciously listening is those listeners which comes and you will feel it somewhat as a superficial ways, and so you will finally let it go. Okay, second way is you will listen that one things and whatever the technical word is associated with these listenings word, you will keep in your minds and recall it and regain it's so always for a long period of time store in it your subconscious minds, and you whenever it requires you can recall and after that so you can say or speaks again, and you can tell about this listening. So how we will reach the topmost positions of the active listenings means that if you do means that we are reading the books and memorizing anything, so try to repeat many times and also repeating by writings and writings, and we have not reproach in those positions that so we can store in our mind. So how does we listen anything means that if you are listening anything, so don't jump on another thing, so feel it. So whatever you listen, feel deep if you feel deeply and go ahead and again heads and also make a mental image. After the making mental image, feel mental image, and after that so one by one so you will go in right path. You will see that you are just approaching nearest to the or closest to the yours main target is to memorize whatever the next speaker telling, and you are listening. So listening and telling in between the communications, both persons or many persons are communicating with each other. We are listening and then giving the response. If we don't understand means that if you have memorized all whatever the other person telling is telling, then so we cannot say all the answers properly. So first of all, what does the meaning of the statements or the sentence or the words of that person? So we have to listen all and feel it's that what is makes sense of the overall statements or overall question of these persons. Then after that so you will have to say the answer, reply the answers, and if you do one by ones or after that after time so you will see that so you will gradually in on the will be on the path of the progress. So how will you grab with that one things? You have to do the practice means that listening practice means overall day by day so you will listen, but don't listen as it is, listen whatever the person is telling, and and just like a peg method of the memory, you see peg the word in your own memory. If you pick the word in your own memory, you will see that it will be remain in your minds, and you will think make a powerful mental image for these meanings or this sentence or these words. Okay, then whenever it requires you will recall it and you will find that the same words will automatically come in your brains, and you will explain that things clearly, explains and demonstrate whatever may be. So cognitive, psychomotor, and these are the domains. Okay, so domains, on the basis of domains we can have to cope with these listening skills, and it is possible when we will go in a right path day by day, one by 2 day 3 day means that it is depend upon the persons, and it's acquiring powers, because we are starting the words first, then it start gradually, and whenever we are jumping it's and going here, it's go fast. it's a run fast and go in do it a practice so that it becomes easy, just like it becomes the simple way, just like a cake, make a cake or cut the right cut the corner, just like that, or just like a ABC. Okay, so use your word and do the practice and reach the topmost positions of the storing or memorizing anything by and understanding of the statements by listening skills. So listening is a power for things. Okay, with this statement, thank you, and once again welcomes in next programs. Bye bye.